Welcome back. Today, we're starting a new project at ESEK-RC. We're prepping this Defender D110 body for the Traxxas TRX-4M, and it's going to be anything but factory fresh. First up, masking. But with a twist. We're masking the windows, but the rear side panels will be painted over. This hides the internal electronics and gives us a larger canvas for scale decals later on. Phase 2 is where we get aggressive. Using a scalpel, we're carving deep grooves and scratches directly into the plastic. These channels will catch the paint and washes, creating a realistic, weathered texture. Don't be afraid to be messy here. Real off-roaders carry scars, and these physical grooves provide a depth that paint alone just can't replicate. Now, we're adding some impact. Using a soldering iron, we carefully melt small sections of the body. This simulates dents and structural fatigue, giving the surface an irregular, 3D feel that looks incredibly authentic once painted. Finally, the most important prep step, the wash. We need to remove all the oils from our hands and any manufacturing grease. A clean surface is the only way to ensure the primer and paint bond perfectly to the plastic. The foundation is set. The D110 is scarred, cleaned, and ready for the boot. Stay tuned for the next phase of this ESEK-RC custom build.